This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Introducing a Hutchinson Island 4-4 vacation rental near the best area beach along the Atlantic. Collect shark's teeth and hunt for gold along the Treasure Coast. Relax back and enjoy cooking the fresh catch of the day in an amazing chef's kitchen. Spacious Great Room allows for ease of entertaining and watching sports from the large smart TV and comfortable leather couches. Each bedroom has its own bathroom with decorative designer tiles and contemporary touches. Bring surfboards and beach toys to savor a beachside dream vacation this fall and winter. Available for a minimum of 30 days or more. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.